Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Donnie, and this video will be covering this question shown on screen. The first step is by separating the 1 over here and the x, and separate by using the product rule. Once we accomplish that, we have 3 to the power of 1, 3 to the negative x, 3 to the 1, and 3 to x being multiplied over here. We're going to remove this 3 over here. We're going to use the distributive law. We're going to remove the 3. We remove the 3, and we're going to divide the 3 on both sides. So now we divide, this cancels it out. And after, we're going to apply the negative exponent rule, where we're going to convert this 3 to the power of negative x to the bottom. So we have 1 divided by x, 3x. We're going to let u equals to 3x. Then we're going to substitute this u term inside the 3x, and over here we have 2 u's. Now we're going to multiply over here, on the bottom over here, u, multiply by u, so to have a common base. Here will be u squared on the top, as shown over here. This u is going to come on this side. And we have 10 divided by 3 multiplied by u. We're going to bring on the other side to become negative. Then we're going to apply the quadratic formula. Once we apply it, we do the necessary calculations, and we're going to acquire 1u to be 3 and 1u to be 1 divided by 3. The next step is to know that u was equal to 3 divided by 3 to the x, sorry. And now you put the 3 to the x over here, and we apply this u over here. So we're going to have 3 over on this side. Now you take a log on both sides and bring this x exponent on the bottom over here. We divide by log 3 on both sides, and we should acquire an answer of 1. Now we got to do it to 1 divided by 3. Now, over here you put 1 divided by 3, and you do the exact same process, and you should acquire an answer of -1. And these are both acceptable solutions. And that's it for this video. So please leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, great day.